Hello and welcome back to another resin videos. In this video we're going to be making a resin crystal with some lights and some dry flowers. Crystal, I will leave the link in the description box down below. I got it from Etsy's. The flowers, of course, Amazon, and the lights, Amazon as well. So the first time I got this mold, I was going to do a video for YouTube, but I was like, I didn't like the process of it. I wasn't trusting the process, and it turned out beautiful. So I was like, I've made several with this mold, so might as well post a video of how I do it. So first thing first, I always lay out the lights first because I don't want, after I pour in the first layer of resin, then the flowers and then the lights. I just want to make sure that I am well prepared and I know how everything's going to be laid out. And if I don't like it, I can fix it right away. And I also prepare the flowers because these flowers smell so bad. Like, I can't. It kills my nose. So I just remove it from the bag, let it air out before I even start pouring and even start doing anything. So first thing first, you lay down a thin layer of some resin, like what I'm doing right here. And then I just start placing down the flowers I wanted. Well, there were some bubbles in the mold, so I just use my lighter real quickly to get rid of it. And that's what I'm doing right here. By the way, since resin is dangerous, make sure to wear gloves and protective gears. I always forget to say that. So I'm just laying out the flowers that I wanted to lay out. I'm going with the purple theme, so everything's gonna be purple, purple, purple. Yeah. Layering down the flowers. I put those two pieces in the resin for a few seconds before I place it down in the mold. So I thought that would help, but apparently it did not. And this was the first time ever using dry fruits in any of my resin art, so this was pretty interesting. Didn't quite turn out how I wanted, but with every resin craft that you make, you learn from your mistakes, so definitely gonna have to try it again. But it was a cute idea. I like it though. Just layering in some flowers and more stuff in there. Trying to fill out the space. Trying to make it look cute, presentable, decent, to my own liking. And then you can just layer in the lights after I layer in all of the flowers. Just pushing it all the way down. The reason why I do two different layers is because of the lights that I use. They always stick out. So I want to make sure that I just sprinkle a little bit more resin on top of it. And then after the first layer is fully dry and cured, I can just press down the lights, and the lights just lay flat. And I can add in any more layers that I want. But I do several layers because I don't want the lights to stick out, so that's why I do it that way. But do it however you want to do it. So after the first layer dried, I add in there some clear resin. Now I'm going to mix up some purple and some white. And obviously, you know, I love glitter. Everything has to have glitter in there. So that's what I'm doing right here. Mixing up my pigments. By the way, these I got from Amazon. Surprising, these last longer than the first ones that I got. Yep. Boom, boom, boom. Mixing. By the way, this video is speed up, so I'm actually not mixing that fast. And for some weird reason, I only have one silicone spoon. Like, I could have sworn I had several, but I cannot find them. Mixing. Just using my lighter again after mixing up the pigments to get rid of the bubbles, because remember, we do not like bubbles. Bubbles. And now we can just pour it down. Look at how gorgeous it is. Purple with some clear resin and in the white. Absolutely stunning. Using my lighter again to get rid of the bubbles. Oops, here she is. Look at this. At the last minute, a bubble formed. Like, I was watching over this and like, yeah, totally messed up. You guys can see the glitter in the white pigments, but let's see how this turned out. I don't even know how much how many crystals I have made with the smaller pots. Let's see if this one becomes my favorite. Oopsie. Hold on. I just took a peep. This would have been so cute. Can you guys see it? Like, but I love the color combination. It is gorgeous. Can't wait to see it with the lights on. I'm going to go over the top part with some resin. There's a little bit of some bubbles in there. Oh, but it still looks cute. I like it. This is not cute. It's okay. And also the orange. Is it an orange? I don't know whatever fruit this is. Totally messed up. Like if I didn't add it in there, but I wanted to try something new. Oh, it's okay. I'm saying it's okay, but kind of disappointed. Okay, here's more of like a close-up of how it looks. I love the color combo. It's a great idea. And then I added in there a little bit some glitter. I noticed I didn't show you guys, but let's show them another project which was left over. Yeah. Let me see if I can fill this part in with some resin. This is how she looks. She looks pretty from afar. But close up, not so much. Hold on, let me see if I can show you guys the glitter in here. So cute. Oops. Do not want to drop this. I like it. It's a great idea. And I try something new, so it may not have turned out the way how I wanted, but I can definitely try again. It's gorgeous. I keep saying it's gorgeous. So it's dark now. Let's see how it looks with the light. I'm going to show you guys with all of the settings. Ooh, she looks pretty. First one. Second. Oh, people just walking by. Gorgeous. Looks so stunning. And I'm flip it over so you guys can see the back of it. It's absolutely beautiful. I did not add in the resin to fill up this spot, but I'll do it later. Yeah, this is how it looks.